Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired a lovely Peugeot 3008. It's absolutely huge specification on this. It's lovely red metallic, diamond cut alloy wheels, front park distance control, paintwork is lovely, rear park distance control, boot area is lovely, huge boot there for you. Now we've got the little blinds here, half leather interior, full panoramic roof, electric windows, electric mirrors. And side's got the rear full screen factory satellite navigation. Got a heads up display there, air conditioning, climate control, 5-speed gearbox, cruise control. This really does have it all with sat nav, Bluetooth connectivity. Again, lovely panoramic roof. Interior's in lovely condition. Big centre armrest, lots of storage in there as well. Driven this car myself, drives absolutely lovely. And that's for the blind as well if you want it over the panoramic roof. Yeah, absolutely lots of buttons to press. Done 70,170 miles. DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. Oh, I think this has a reverse camera as well. Let me just double check. Yep, reverse camera as well. Really is fully loaded. So at DJH, well, have full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call 07503 751 005. Thank you.